Hello everyone. We are students of ICFI Hyderabad. We have done our internship at ISS Innovation Labs, where we worked on the project COVID-19 India Tracker. This website is an attempt to understand the statistics of COVID-19 in India.
This is our website. There's a link to access the website. This is our main page. This containers gives us the overview of the case counts. Visualization of numbers or data into any graphical representation helps viewers understand the data better. These graphs are interactive graphs by Plotly, confirmed, recovered, and deceased graphs. This is time series graph. We have buttons here to toggle between cumulative time series and daily time series. As we hover around the graphs, we get to know the total number of cases on that particular day. To get the detailed zoom view of the particular time, we can select the time. These pie charts explain us the total number of confirmed cases of a particular state. The same way, active, recovered, and deceased cases. The state-wise, this is the second page. This table depicts us about the total number of confirmed, active, recovered deaths state-wise. This table is an interactive table where we can sort it according to our convenience. There's a search box provided where we can search for a particular state.
From now we'll go to the state-wise distribution page. In this page, there will be a map which shows us the case counts of different states. All the states are color coded based on the number of cases. The yellow being the least number of cases. Yellow has the least number of cases, and the darker red color having the most number of cases. Here we can see that the Maharashtra is having like 132 cases, and the lighter color states are having low number of cases below like 10,000. From now, we are going to move on to data analysis. In this page, we have basically three graphs, the Spearman, Kendall, and Pearson correlation heat maps. The correlation means correlation tells us about how two variables are related to each other, and it is defined by a correlation constant, which is a measure of how closely it is related. It's measured on a scale of -1 to +1. If for a variable the correlation is near to 1 or -1, it's said to be strongly correlating. And if any variable has value near to 0, then it is said to be weakly correlating. For example, we can see here that the correlation constant between confirmed and active is very high, like 0.98, and for literacy rate and confirmed cases, it's very low, like -0.29. Similarly, we use three methods: Spearman method, Kendall method, and Pearson method, which are basically three different methods used in correlation analysis.
Moving on to the last section of the website is the Contact Us page, where the Contact Us page is for the user to connect with us, in which the user can send any message related to the website by filling this form and can contact us by taking the help of this email. So this is the end of the website. We are really thankful to our college, ICFI Hyderabad, and ISS Innovation Labs for providing us this opportunity. We are especially thankful to Dr. Kumar Rahul sir in providing us a steady supervision and guidance at every stage. Thank you.